Hi guys! So, I just finished filming yung BLK Love Story Bridal Collection video. I hope you're able to see it na. Go watch it, you guys. I really enjoyed filming it. But anyway, today's video, ito na, oo na, ayan na, oh. Pinagbigyan ko na yung mga nag-request ng Lipswatch ng bagong product ng Colourette. At ito nga ang Colourette Easy Matte All Day Velvet Liquid, All Day Velvet Lipstick. Ayan. But you guys, I hope you don't mind. I did not get all the shades. I only have 5 of the 8, if I'm not mistaken, 8 shades. Pero I also got the Blur Balm. O diba, nagsakripisyo ako ng isang shade para lang matry tong Blur Balm because I'm really curious anong meron sa Blur Balm. Is it really effective? Does it make your lipstick look betterer? Alam mo yon? Does it do something or it's just, you know, gimmick? But we'll see. We'll find out. And I hope you don't mind our lighting. I'm using natural light and medyo maaraw ngayon. So, ayun ba yung araw? Hi, araw! So, binawasan ko yung aking eyeshadow, pati yung blush gels. Sinanggal ko na rin ng very, very slight para hindi super duper maka-apekto dun sa lip color natin. Okay guys, so let's start. And the first product I'm going to try is of course the Blur Balm. And look at the packaging, you guys. It is so cute. Alam mo, nakakatuwa na yung mga nakadrawing na babae dito is parang may iba't iba silang, should we call this, career. And they all look different. Merong maputi, merong morena, merong chubby, and merong sexy. So that's kind of cute of Colourette to have like diversity in their packaging. Although aminin niya, kamukha ng detail makeover. Very, very slight. Anyway, so this is the Blur Balm. And ito pala yung packaging. Alam mo, na-shock ako na ano lang pala siya. It's short. Kasi parang sa photos and dun sa packaging, when you see it in videos and photos, parang ang akala mo it's like long. Like parang singhaba nung Ever Belena na stick lipstick. Alam mo yon? But it's actually singhaba lang ng typical bullet type lipstick. And it's very slim. Okay, so let's try the Blur Balm. It has a balmy but silicone-y feel to it. Alam mo yung baby skin primer ng Maybelline? Reminds me of that one, pero like gawin mong pang lips. Parang ganon. Parang siyang lip balm. Pero wala siyang smell and it's not minty. So, itry natin. First shade. Let's go with the first shade. Caffeine. And this is the box, you guys. So, I'm going to apply it with a Blur Balm on top. Alright, guys. So, this is Caffeine. At ito siya sa may araw. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Yung araw. Alright, guys. So, inayos ko na slight yung lighting natin. But this is Caffeine. And this is Caffeine on my lips. And it is a typical brown shade, you know. May slight peachiness to it, just very, very slight. But yeah, perfect for every day. You can layer it to deepen it up. And gets ko na yung effect ng Blur Balm. It does not blur. Okay, that's for sure. It does not blur. Kapag yun lang yung ginamit mo, like yun lang yung nilagay mo on your lips, magkakaroon siya ng white-ish, just white-ish color. So, alam mo yun, you can use it kung, alam mo yun, hindi ka naman conscious or whatsoever sa kanang itsura ng lips mo. To moisturize your lips, you can use that. Pero pag lalagyan mo ng lipstick on top, it's not gonna blur anything, but it does make the application smoother, creamier. Yeah, yun lang. Pero sige, itry natin ng walang Blur Balm. What does it feel? But anyhow, I mean, how does it feel? But this is Caffeine on my lips. Next shade I'm going to try is the shade Quickie. At eto ang box, you guys. So very sexy, very sultry. And I like the packaging because it's sleek and madali siyang gamitin on the lips. I mean, hindi siya yung parang super fat on the lips. Sturdy din yung packaging, you guys. And this is Quickie. Alright guys, so this is Quickie on my lips and it's actually very deep. Para siyang brown red in person. And ang deep niya. So yung picture din sa Colourette sa Shopee or Lazada, huwag kayo masyado maniwala. Kasi, I mean yung sa Lipswatch doon. Kasi parang medyo light yung Lipswatch doon, pero sa person, it's really, really deep. And tinry ko siya without the blur balm and all I can say is, it's still creamy. It's still easy to apply. So, I don't think you need the blur balm. Yung blur balm is para siyang pangpadulas. And I don't like it kasi sometimes when it's very madulas, it's more makalat. Alam mo yun, mas madali siyang kumalat. Mas madali siyang magagalaw. So, I don't like the blur balm. I don't recommend using these with the blur balm. Feeling ko sa labi. Mas makapit siya sa lips kapag wala ang blur balm. But yeah, dami ko that. This is Quickie. So next shade I'm going to swatch is called 905. Ang lapit po niya kay very Quickie. Kita niyo? Ang lapit niya kay Quickie. Pero, teka nga, i-side by side nga natin. Ako lang ba? Okay. Or guys, hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba or napakalapit talaga niya. Pero like, I'm trying to justify it gamit yung monitor. Pero parang mas lighter ng very, very slight lang si 925 compared kay Quickie. Nagpicture ako with flash and I'm not sure. Hindi niyo pala makikita. So I'm just gonna flash it. They really look similar. Hindi ko alam kung kinukumbinsi ko na lang yung sarili kong magkaiba sila o very minimal lang talaga yung ano nila, yung pagkakaiba nila. But anyway, let me apply it on my lips. Okay, so now that it's on my lips, I can see the very, very slight difference. Mas lighter nga si 905 compared kay Quickie. And medyo may very slight pink undertone. Etong si 905. It's just me. It's my eyes. Yun yung nakikita ko. But yeah, this is 905. Kung tatanungin mo, huwag mong bilhin pareho si Quickie and si 905. Choose which one suits your skin tone better. If yung ma-pink undertone or like ma-brownie. Pareha silang ma-brownie, pero si 905 is parang may more pinkish. Next shade I'm going to swatch is Felt Cute. This is... I'm sorry for the swatch, you guys. This is what Felt Cute looks like. My God, medyo pegalo na naman niya itong dalawang to. But, oh, it's pink. Mauve pink. So this is what Felt Cute looks like on my lips. It's mauve pink. Alright guys, I am down to my last shade and it is called Bop. And this is Bop over here. Alright guys, so this is Bop on my lips. And etong si Bop, para siyang papasa sa peachy family. Pwede rin siya sa pink family. It's like a papaya pink. Alam mo yun? Kung etong si Felt Cute is mauve pink, etong si Bop is like peachy pink, papaya pink. Sorry guys feeling ko ang layo ng description ko with the description dun sa mismong Colourette na shop. I'm just describing it the way I see it in person. So, you be the judge na lang ha kung naniniwala ka sa sinasabi ko. But this is Bop on my lips. Alright guys, so we are done with the lip swatches. I'm so sorry. I can only show you 5 colors kasi, you know, tight ang budget natin, day. But, what can I say? Syempre, una sa lahat, I don't recommend you guys buying the Blur Balm because it's just gimmick for me. Yung effect niya, pwede mong ma-achieve sa any lip balm. Like, Carmex lip balm, alam mo yun, Nivea lip balm, the original one. Parang wala naman siyang masyadong maitutulong sa overall look ng lipstick. Bagkos, gusto niyo yan? Bagkos, parang ako personally lang naman, ayoko ng masyadong madulas na lipstick on the lips. Alam mo yun, parang wala tuloy akong tiwala sa kanya na magtatagal siya or parang kakapit siya on my lips. Hindi siya yung lipstick actually hindi masyadong kakapit sa labi mo if you have a balm underneath. Okay? So, hindi rin naman siya nakaka-blur. So, I don't like that Blur Balm. Okay, it's not my favorite. Formula ng lipstick, wala akong masabi. It's very creamy, very, very good quality, very, very pigmented. Comparable pa siya kay Detail Detail Cosmetics na lipsticks. Yung mga deep shades, okay? Kasi may mga shades yung Detail Cosmetics na kailangan mo like 2-3 layers para ma-cover yung entire lips mo. Eto, totoo, yung one swipe covered na. Pero yung parang feel niya sa lips, medyo similar sila na creamy, alam mo yun, easy to glide, ganyan-ganyan. Ngayon, it's also comparable to Maybelline lipsticks. Yung, some of the powder matte shades, yung mga deeper powder matte shades ng Maybelline. Yung mga lighter shades kasi kailangan parang 3 to 4 swipes bago ma-cover yung lips mo. Comparable din siya doon. Ngayon, for the price of $349, I find it quite expensive actually. Oo. Some of these shades, makikita mo sa Detail Cosmetics, some of these shades, mag-BLK Cosmetics na lipstick ka na lang. Kasi yun, $299. And parang same sila nung bigay nung pigment, nung kapal nung pigment na pag ginanon mo. Maybelline, BLK Cosmetics, yung pa yung mas ma-recommend kong mas sulit kaysa sa $349 ng Colourette. Ganito na lang. You can get Colourette Cosmetics lipsticks, yung mga shades na wala ka pa. Alam mo yun, siguro, meron dito mga shades na very unique from their line na wala dun sa iba pang, like sa BLK, sa Maybelline, or sa Detail Cosmetics. Yun na lang siguro masasuggest ko. Pero for you to get all of it, no, honey. No, honey. And mahal niya, $349 for me, for this one. Parang mas dinaig niya yung presyo nung Velveteen. Teka nga, check ko. Kapresyo niya yung Velvetins. Dahil mag-Velvetins ka na lang kaysa sa mag-lipsticks. Parang mas long-lasting pang itatagal ni Velvetins. Oo, kung magkapresyo lang din naman sila. Okay, so yun na. Yun na ang aking final thoughts about the Colourette Easy Matte All Day Velvet Lipstick. Actually, ang pag-pronounce sa kanya nung CEO, si Nina, are you subscribed to her channel? Go subscribe to her channel, guys. I'm gonna link it down below. Colourette. It's mabigat. Colourette. It's not Colourette, it's Colourette. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Colourette.